Hello, today's video is going to be about email automation in Zoho CRM. So let's suppose if we want to create an welcome email automation for lead module. So for that we will go to setup, workflow rules. Here we will create rule. Here we have multiple options from modules for which we want to set the automation. So right now I will select for lead. So here we have to set the conditions. So I will set here on execute this workflow rule based on record action, create. Whenever the lead will get created for all leads, here I will select the mail notification and I will select the template that I have created and I will associate it here. Just save it. So now what will happen here is whenever I will create any lead here, let's suppose I will here enter last name testing and here my email. And let's suppose I will save it here. So now it will automatically trigger welcome email on this email. So when I will check here, I can see that here the email has been sent. So here you can see that this welcome email has been triggered. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.